Hey, this is Nathaniel at AGL Yacht Sales. I'll do a quick video walkthrough of newly listed Meridian 381 from 2002. Come with me. All right, let's start on the exterior. This boat has new canvas up on the Flybridge. Cushions in great shape up front. As we walk back here, you'll see nice opening windows, keep everything nice and ventilated. Of course, it does have air conditioning as well. This is a sedan style yacht. Just had this new dinghy mount installed, new dinghy as well. Easy access. These Meridian 381s are one of the more versatile and just high quality boats of this era. They did put on this new imitation teak decking, which is fantastic. Feels great on your feet. The boat was just cleaned as well. There's that decking, as you'll notice as we walk through. On the swim step, in the cockpit, up the stairs, and all over the Flybridge too. Big windows make this boat feel very, very large and airy inside, especially for a 38-footer. She's big. You might notice on that Flybridge up there, they use Macrolon for the windshield, as it just folds out of the way and stays clear for a whole lot longer than classic Isinglass. These big windows again. This is the preferred way to enter. Take off my shoes. This boat's name is Hotel California. Let's go to the Flybridge first. So, perfect condition upholstery, newly done. Got our electronics, radar, nav, dual controls. Don't have to deal with any pods on this boat. Electric windlass control. Here's your autopilot. Magnetic cell mount, plus you can throw your tablet up here as well. Just over 1,000 hours on the motors. These are big Cummins and QC500s. And as we look over here, again, this Macrolon is fantastic. It just folds out of the way, so you're not rolling anything up. And then all of this canvas is new. Nice new upholstery on the bench as well. And of course, this classic faux teak, which goes very nice on the feet throughout. Let's check out the salon. So one of the great things about these sedans is that you're just going to walk on from the deck, walk on here, single small step up in here, plenty of headroom, nice open feel, galley up design, upholstery is in great condition. You got a little wine fridge over there. That's ice maker. Ice maker. Here is the electrical panel. Everything nice and professionally laid out. I've installed a TV up there. Perfect position for it. And you have plenty of room down here for electronics as well. So you'll probably just be streaming. There's your stereo with CD changer. Note the air conditioning. You have a control there, and I believe you have a control down in the forward berth as well. And here is your dinette and galley up. One of the nicest things I think about these sedans is that you've got nice open area, plenty of room for lounging, and then you haven't wasted a bunch of space on accommodations back here. You got your freezer and fridge side by side. microwave, convection microwave down there, 2-burner cooktop. Very nice sink. Trash bin in there if you like. They also opted for this canvas cover just to cover up that gel coat. Now down here we go. All right. So here's the large V-berth. Semi walk around. Good amount of storage. 2 hanging lockers. Cedar lined automatic lighting. There's vents for the AC. They've got another TV in here. There's your control for the AC for the forward cabin as well. It's very nice. It's a little dark in here, but they have blackout shields on the portholes. In here, this is your mid-berth. So, great for sleeping. You know, little padding. The upholstery looks great. They've got some poles up here, so you could use this as a closet if you prefer, but otherwise nice, comfortable as well. Hanging locker there as well. Now the head has your vacuum flush head, and then here a shoehorned tub with shower combination. Plenty of space for everything you're going to need. Pretty spacious, especially for this size vessel. A little more storage down there. Now walking back up into the salon, take a look at these motors. So here's the twin Cummins Diamond Performance Series. Oil was just changed. Shaft seals look solid. Nice tidy engine room. They've got diapers in the bilge. Perfect. Looks good from what I can see. Outboard, those are your fuel tanks out there, the aluminum fuel tanks. These big motors, and perfectly suited for this size vessel. Now we'll just walk out here, check out the lazarette. So back here, you have new batteries. Underwater exhaust that is in upgraded or updated charger, and then here is your generator and all of your battery boxes. Yeah, it's nice, easy access to your steering gear back here. That has been a quick walkthrough. Meridian 381, Hotel California, down here in San Diego, California, at the Marriott Marquis Marina.